Yo, welcome back to a new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Fortnite pickaxe on Roblox. So let's begin. Alright, so I haven't tested it, but I'm going to just make it with y'all, and I will edit and cut out some of the parts if we experience some difficulties. I don't think I will experience difficulties, but I hope not. Anyways, let's begin. So first I need a pickaxe, so I think I'll probably make one because then it would be much better. So first I need to find the front surface, so I'll just front, here it is. This is the front surface, so I'll just, I don't know, I'm not pretty sure how a pickaxe will look. I'll probably make the default one. I don't like Fortnite much, but if this will give me views, then I will go for it. Alright, I'm gonna just make it simple, alright, because I don't wanna go deep into it. I think this should be like a slate, and this should be smooth, or yeah, smooth is better. Does this look too long? Wait, I think I should rotate it. Okay, so I'm just gonna so what we're gonna do now is basically after you make it, I'm gonna group it. So after I group it, I'm gonna name this the pickaxe. Oh, actually, hold up, we don't group it, we make it a tool, and we should make a handle too. So I'm gonna just duplicate this, put it here. This is the part where the player will hold, and name it handle, and I recommend making it transparent by changing it to 1. Let me just make it like that, and this is just gonna be the, shall I just name it stick? Yeah, I'll name it stick, and this is gonna be the, I don't know, blade. I don't know, like, I don't think it's even a blade, but I'll go with it. And I'm gonna go to handle, and I'm gonna create Weld Constraint, and select handle as part 0 and part 1 blade, stick I mean, and I'll duplicate it, and this will be the stick weld, and this will be the blade. So I'll show you why I did this. Oops, so just, and make sure this is not anchored, and can collide also should be false. Okay, so why I added the weld is because now both of these things will stick to the handle. So if I only anchor the handle, then it should not fall. If it falls, then we'll find out why. As you can see, it didn't fall because it's basically this blade and handle is sticking to the, I mean the blade and the stick is sticking to the handle. If I think delete this, yeah, as you saw, it just fell because but the handle will still be here, as you can see. So that's the main logic behind that. So now I pretty much think this will actually work. Make sure you just make the handle unanchored. Oops. And name the tool pickaxe, and put it in starter pack, and let's see if it's fine, and we can move on. It's taking some while to load. Yep, it's fine. As you can see, it's holding the part where the handle is. The grip is perfect. Oh my god, it's actually really perfect. Look at it, it's perfect. I don't know. Okay, yeah, it won't work, it won't do anything. That's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna script it. So we need a object to break. So I'll just put some parts around, and let's just group it for now. Yeah, that's pretty much a thing you should do. So actually I'll just name this group breakable parts for now. So whatever is inside this group will break. So I'll just make it look cool, like blocks, and I'll just even anchor them. Okay, now let's go back to the pickaxe. In the pickaxe I'm going to put a local script and a script. So local script is for handling the animations and all the other stuff. I'm going to name it core, and I'm going to name the server script, which is just the script handler. Let's go to the server script. So I'm going to use a basic Roblox function to do this for now. If we have to change anything in the future, I'll let y'all know. Anyways, let's do this. So we need some sounds and stuff like that. So you know what, I'll just get those two. So inside the handle I'll make some sounds. I don't know how to call it. Okay, I'll just call it attack sound, and let's get a sound real quick. Let's see if I type pickaxe, would I get a really good sound? Okay, I got a good sound. Okay, I know it doesn't look like a Fortnite one, but yeah, let's go with it. Okay, that's pretty much it over there. So we will pretty much do that here. No, let's actually do that in the server script so the whole server can hear it. Yeah, I hope we can. Yeah, let's see. So we need to get the pickaxe first. So script parent, and let's get the handle, and let's even get the sound. Okay, so once we get that, there's a function for the tool, which is we're gonna call the tool pickaxe, and we are gonna say activated. We're gonna connect it to a function. So then I'm gonna make something called deactivated, connect to a function. Then I'm gonna make something like a quit, connect to a function, and then I'm going to make something called unquit. Okay, once that's pretty much done, now you have all the necessary functions set up. So actually some are not even necessary, but I'm just keeping it just in case we need it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, over there. So now we're gonna make something like a debounce. Actually I'm gonna call it attacking. Can attack equals to false. It's actually true. So what pickaxe.activated means is that if the player clicks the what do you call it, left mouse button. If player clicks the left mouse button while I'm holding the tool, this will fire, and here this is after the player clicks the left mouse button. So when you click, this will fire, then when you leave the mouse, this will fire. This is pretty self-explanatory. This is pretty much when the player equips the pickaxe. When the player unequips Pickaxe. So I hope you all can understand what I did here. Now let's go to the next step of pretty much finding if the player touched one of these parts and we can break it. So let's do this. Here we're gonna first see if we can attack, right? So we're gonna say if can attack, then so we can attack. If this is false, then this will return false. Alright, so this should always be true, unless you want to disable it. If you don't want the pickaxe to work, just put false. Okay, so if can attack, then if not attacking, then the player is not already attacking. So the player is not already attacking, then now the player is attacking because he's not attacking, so he can attack. Alright, so attacking is true. Alright, we're gonna actually add another debounce here. Not a debounce, it's not a debounce, so we're gonna call it what do you call it, return time. So this is gonna actually, let's just call it speed. No, return time. So this is gonna be the time it takes to again stop attacking. So the player cannot spam the attack button. So when attacking is true, the player cannot spam it because the attacking is true. So whenever we click again, so let me explain. So when the player attacks, it will detect that we are not attacking, so attacking will be true. Then when the player clicks again, it will check again and it will realize that the attacking is true. So it will be like, let's put an else, player is already attacking. Okay, so player is already attacking. This will happen if is not attacking. It's pretty much understandable, right, when you read it. I hope you all understand. I don't know if I explained it well. Anyways, after that we are going to do the next part. So we are attacking, now we should do the attack thing. So there's two ways we can do this. So we can just say wait return time, right? We can do that, and then we can just say attacking equals to false, right? So we'll attack, then wait, and then attacking false, then we can attack again. And then we go down here and make something called handle touched. So this will detect if the handle touches something. Making a hitbox for the pickaxe is much efficient, but I'm gonna just use the handle way. So if it touches the handle, it will break. Alright, so when the handle touches something. So when the handle touches something, if attacking, then on this handle touched will only work if the player is attacking. So whenever we are attacking, the handle will look for something which it's touching and it will look to break it. So we need to see what we are breaking. So this is where we need the breakable parts model, which is in the workspace. You can pretty much make it a model or a folder. Folder will be better too, since it will be a folder and you can select each part like you want, instead of selecting the whole model, and make this the breakable parts. Okay, alright, so now let's get the breakable parts. Alright, once we get the breakable parts, we are going to say if hit is a descendant, is a descendant, right? Is it is or is? I don't really remember. Hope this is the correct one. Is descendant of, and here we're going to say breakable parts. Then, so this will see if it's a child of this breakable parts. So if we touch this part, then it will check if it's a child of breakable parts. If it is, then it will destroy. If we touch the base plate, then obviously it is not a child of breakable parts, so it will just ignore, or you can just say something. So if hit is a descendant of breakable parts, then can break it, or call can break it, and hit destroy. Or if the hit part has a health, then you can do that too. You can check the health, and if the health is 0, then can destroy it. I'll show it too, but I hopefully will show it in a part 2 because I don't want to increase the time of this video. So yeah, I'm trying to decrease it. So I hope this does well because I am gonna keep on grinding. Anyways, so this should pretty much work. Hope it works. If there are any bugs, then we'll probably fix it. I'm gonna be showing you all while I fix it, because then you all can learn how I tackle the problems. And yeah, let me just see if we are recording here. Yes, we are. Alright, let's see. Alright, I'm just ignore the hello world. I'll just clean the output. As you saw, it broke, but when as you can see, I'm near it, but when I click, it breaks, and it waits 0.5, then only I can again do it. So you know what, I'm going to make a animation to it so that we can work this out. So let's make an idle animation and end this video, and I'll probably do a part 2, or I don't know, if people like it, then I'll do a part 2. Anyways, let's do that fast. I'm gonna do it fast. This is not an animation tutorial, so I'll do it fast. But one thing I'm gonna teach you all now is how to put this model in this dummy. It's pretty easy. Yeah, you get this, so move it to the dummy, like move to the hand like that, and do that, and make this a model, put it inside the dummy, and make sure it's not anchored, and go to the right hand and duplicate this and call it tool or something like that, and part 1 to the handle. As you can see, it's we should rotate this tools. We can do that. You do that, and again do it, because when you move it, it will obviously change again. Part 1 is the right hand, obviously. Part 1 is the handle. So if this keeps on happening, oh my god, okay, this is annoying. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. We are gonna again do this, and we are gonna go to where is it? Yeah, edit rig. So y'all basically should have this plugin. If y'all don't have, then I think you should go watch a tutorial on rig edit and how it works, because then it will be easier for y'all. But you can just connect the body to this, so it will be easier to animate. Although yeah. So you can select the right hand to the handle and create a joint, and then you can go inside this, and from handle to stick you can create a joint, then from handle stick to blade you can create a joint. So they will basically do this. Alright, okay, so now I hope we can animate it. So animation editor, let's see here. Yep, it works. So now you can actually make a you can actually make a better animation. Let's just make this rotation to 90 so I can get a good rotation, and then make it a 0.1 again. Okay, so once you do this, this is the holding animation. Make sure it's looping and the priority section, and export. Pickaxe hold animation. Yeah, I just save it here and get the ID. Make sure you copy the ID and exit out of here and go back to the tool, and inside of handle make a new animation object, which is easy to do, and put the animation ID inside of it. Just paste it, and we are going to rename this hold anim, and you're gonna see how we're gonna use that. So now I'm gonna make an animation for the breaking too, so it will be much smoother. So okay, so you just, I don't know, I'm not really good with animations, but I'll try my best, dude. I'll try my best to stab in right now. Whoops. Oh, this is really confusing. Alright, okay, that's good. But so our, let's see, our return time is 0.5. I'm gonna make it 1 second, and this animation is 1 second, so we should make this animation 1 second. So then you see, so if you're wondering why it's like suddenly turning, it's because the first frame is this and the last frame is this. So what you gotta do is make the last frame, copy the last frame and put it to the end too, so it will perfect. So make sure it's not a looping, and make sure the animation priority is action, and export. Let's call it pickaxe attack animation. Right. Alright, so we're gonna copy this again, break out of that, and just show it, make a animation object inside the handle again, put the ID and something like attack. Okay, now we're gonna do the other thing, which is animated. So I'm gonna go to here, and just to let y'all know, this won't work if you do it in the serve script. So we're gonna copy basically everything here. We're gonna copy it and put it here. Make sure you get the other variables too, and this you don't want to do this, delete it, so you will have this. Okay, in the client side, now in client, these are only the stuff we should do in client. So client is basically the player side, alright, so you can't change anything which will affect other players here. So all we can do here is we need to play the attack sound, we need to play the attack animation. So first we need the humanoid for all of this. So I have a way to get the humanoid. So for this we need the player. So get the player here. We need the character, which is then you need the humanoid. Okay, so this is how you get the character and the humanoid. And so once you get it, if the player dies, then this character will be a new character, so this won't work anymore, right? So for that, what you do is in equipped, do the same thing you did here, but remove the locals. So it will always update whenever the player equips the weapon, so it knows that the correct character is using it. And now you can just basically play the attack animation and shit like that. Alright, so we need the wait a minute, what happened to the hold animation? Oh, I accidentally deleted it, my bad, I brought it back. Okay, perfect. Okay, so this is the thing now. So we need to load the attack animation and the hold animations. We're gonna do the same thing again. Hold anim, humanoid load animation, hello dot hold anim. We're gonna pretty much do it here like that. Attack anim doesn't have to do that, so what we're gonna do for the attack anim is come back here, and we're gonna say humanoid load animation handle dot attack anim and play it. We're gonna play the attack animation here, and okay, the hold animation now. So hold anim play, and here in unequipped you say hold anim stop. So hopefully this works. So we need to now play the sound too, so here we're gonna say handle dot. Did we get the sound? Yeah, we got the sound. We can just say, yeah, this will pretty much do it. Let me just play the game and test it out and see if it actually works. Alright, we got an error here. Let's see what this. I see, I know what it is. For the humanoid, make sure you put wait for child. I think that's the problem. Let's hope that's the problem. If that's not the problem, then yeah, we might have to see why that's happening. Oh yeah, you see. Alright, perfect. Although the sound is bad, I should have used another one. I'll change it right now. As you can see, it doesn't break because we need the brown part to touch it. Shall I actually just show how to do that too? Okay, I'll show you how to fix it. Take back the tool to the workspace. How long am I recording? 30 minutes. This is gonna be a big video, so I'll do this final thing and then yeah, we'll end it, and the next video I'll show y'all how to fix the other parts. So this stick, I'm gonna duplicate the stick, and this is gonna be the hitbox, so you're gonna see where it's gonna hit. So make sure you're in the front surface. Okay, I just make this transparency to 1 and name this hitbox, right? And make sure the hitbox is also sticking to the handle, so you should make the same Weld Constraint and part 0 handle in part 1 to the hitbox, and go back to the script and here base it handle, base handle, yeah, rename handle to hitbox. I'll quickly get a good sound effect. Good one. I found a perfect one. So for now, for the attack sound, I'm putting this, and oh, before that I'll just duplicate it. I mean copy it, and so this is an attack. So this is going to be the attack sound. Whoops, bad one. I mean the wrong one. That is the wrong one. That is going to be the breaking sound. So I'll just change this to breaking sound and get a whoosh and make a attack sound. Now we're gonna make something called the breaking sound. Equal to handle, find first child breaking sound. I think you can actually play it here too, so I'll just breaking sound and play it. Should we put this in starter pack? Okay, so now let's see if everything is working fine. So we're holding it. Okay, the animation is kind of slow. I'll fix it next episode, but it works fine there. And yeah, that works, although this doesn't work. Yeah, it's because we are literally in server, so yeah, I'll fix that next episode. Anyways, one last demonstration before I end this video. I'll probably end it at 35 minutes and upload it raw, because yeah, I will keep on uploading some raw footages hereafter, so I can. Alright, perfect. So in this series I'll probably I will probably do a lot like giving a health to the parts. Oh my god, this animation looks weird. Anyways, giving health to the parts and yeah, animations, everything. So everything regarding a Fortnite pickaxe and all the mechanics. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Yeah, we got 10 seconds to spare. Yeah, so if I don't get enough likes for this video or views, then I'll probably discontinue it. So I hope you'll enjoy, and I hope you'll learn something. Bye.